Ice, ice, baby, woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, yeah, icy colors, baby, ooh, the frosty air, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, hey there. Thank you for joining me at my channel for this icy snowflake-inspired, flourish-embellished Dutch pour. For this painting, my inspiration is ice, snowflakes, and this icy bluish color palette. I oftentimes find myself very much drawn to ice and snow color themes that contain this really pretty blue color in the mix of it. But ice and snowflakes aside, this color scheme also really goes perfectly well with homes that have the color of decor that include blues or even earthy tones where blue accents would be a wonderful addition. So therefore, this beautiful painting is not just limited to snow or winter. It's perfect any time of year, in any season, because the color scheme actually really does appeal to many different types of decor themes. So sit back and enjoy. All of my colors are custom blends utilizing various shades of blues, white, and a bit of purple for a hint of varied interest among my icy blues. So please have fun making variations of colors to suit your own taste. I'm also using a variety of paint brands to give interactions between the paint colors. I would like to thank Aishu of Aishu's Crafty Kids Club and Donna of It's Art by Donna for having me in this fabulous collaboration where snowflakes are the inspiration and hence the colors I have chosen for this gorgeous embellished Dutch pour. Okay, and we're just going to do the initial blowing where I take a little bit of that excess background color and just start to push it a little bit into my ribbons. Yes, this is not the most ideal blow dryer for Dutch pours in certain respects. It actually does not move paint when on the low setting, and the high setting is just a touch too high. So I have to be really, really careful with how I apply the flow of the air to the canvas. But with practice, I've been able to get some pretty nice results with it. Just carefully leaning in, I'm holding my shirt out of the way so my shirt does not fall into the paint. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever had your shirt fall into the paint. So I've learned to hold it up against my stomach with one hand, and I'm just leaning carefully over and deciding where I want to gently blow out the parts in the original blowout from the blow dryer to get more of a wispy, light, airy effect. So I know you can't really see me doing that right now, but the thing is even if you could see where I'm choosing to do it, you still have to choose your own places in your own painting if you're using this technique, and then gently blow out until you get a desired result. So I'm really loving some of the effects that are coming forth. It's really, really pretty. I love this light and airy look. So again, snowy, icy snowflakes was the inspiration, and from there I really wanted to go with the style that I've been working with more recently on my channel. I wanted to stay true to that and then bring forth the snowflake idea within the coloring and just the inspiration in what I've been doing. So I'm not going for a literal snowflake look, but something kind of flowery, because snowflakes kind of remind me of flowers in a way. If you think about the pattern repeating around in a circle, kind of the way a flower would with its petals. And so even though I'm not really creating that based off of a circle in my artwork, I wanted to also include the embellished modifications within my Dutch pour, because that does give the bit of a floral type of feel. So in that way, I'm bringing forth the inspiration of my interpretation of how to use a snowflake type of theme within keeping to the style that I've been working with most recently on my channel. Let me know in the comments if you can relate to that sort of thing, and let me know if you like what I'm doing here so far. Please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the bell if you do want notifications. Don't click the bell if you don't want notifications. Be sure to go and take a peek in the description below to get the link for the full playlist of all the artists who are bringing forth wonderful feasts of icy fun goodness for you to satisfy even the most insatiable of art appetites. Meanwhile, my friend, delight in my presentation here, because ice and cold aside, this color palette is actually gorgeous any time of year and in any season when it fits a suitable decor color scheme and fulfills the desires of anyone who adores blues. Of course, be sure to stay tuned, because we will be going in for some beautiful close-ups ahead. But before we get there, we're going to go through the rest of the embellishing process, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy seeing how I do all of these little beautiful embellishments and why I choose what I choose along the way. This does look to me like a flurry of snowflakes billowing in the breeze on a cold, blistery winter day. At least that's my interpretation of it, and still keeping with an abstract art form. I really like how my little swipes are coming out. This is a little bit of a different configuration than I've had happen before in any of the blowouts that I have done, but I'm really liking how this one is turning out. would like to thank Aishu of Aishu's Crafty Kids Club and Donna of It's Art by Donna for having me in this fabulous collaboration where snowflakes are the inspiration and hence the colors I have chosen for this gorgeous embellished Dutch pour. Be sure to go and take a peek in the description below to get the link for the full playlist of all the artists who are bringing forth wonderful feasts of icy fun goodness for you to satisfy even the most insatiable of art appetites. Meanwhile, my friend, delight in my presentation here because ice and cold aside, this color palette is actually gorgeous any time of year and in any season when it fits a suitable decor color scheme and fulfills the desires of anyone who adores blues. I love all these beautiful details, a few little pearl cells. Look at all this pretty little goodness in here. Let me know what you think of it, and thank you for being here, and remember to check out the videos of all of the artists who have participated in this gorgeous collaboration.